Yeah. Couple of things that I am going to talk to you about. Something that is very, very interesting. We'll talk little of each, because if I can talk about, first thing, let me take an item called kalonji. Have you heard of kalonji?
Yes.
Now kalonji comes in three forms. One is the oil form, one is the seeds form, and one is the powder form.
Seed and powder.
Okay, so that is it.
Because the shop has got it.
Yeah.
Then you do it.
Now what is kalonji? Okay. As per the Prophet Muhammad, in the hadith it says, the time will come in the near future when 1 kilo of kalonji, if you want to buy, you will have to pay 1 kilo of gold. That is how it is. Kalonji, whatever I have little studied, which I have a recorded, they say, it can take care of your 112 disease. Kalonji is so powerful. We will discuss few of the diseases of kalonji, because I am very fond of kalonji and I have it at home in plenty. Kalonji is not an onion seed. Please understand that. It is not an onion seed. It is Nigella seeds. Comes from the, what we call it is a very different, it is black seeds. It is not onion seeds. So Jains, my friends, please, you all can have it. There is no problem. There is no onion at all attached to it. What does and how does it work? Let me talk on the few things about what you call it is kalonji. I have kalonji sparingly after I have made my khichdi, added to my salads, to my khichdi, to my dal. Okay, I can also use it as a tadka, the seeds part of it. They are quite reasonably placed in around 200-250 rupees a kilo. 25 rupees का अच्छा पैकेट आ जाता है 100 grams का, which is fine. But I also take 1 kilo of seeds, and there is this place in Paiduni, opposite the police station, he makes it. Out of 1 kilo of seeds, you get 200 grams of oil. Okay, very pure form of oil. And he also makes kalonji oil of two quality, the medium and then very expensive. And it can go up to about 1800 rupees to 2000 rupees a kilo. I take 100 grams of kalonji oil and I use it for my diabetic use. How does it help in diabetics? That is very important. I told you 112. I think 40 minutes or 50 minutes will only go if I talk about kalonji. We'll try to take, but every Indian must have kalonji in the house, either in liquid form, powder form or oil form. Kalonji, 10 drops of kalonji oil in black tea in the morning for 40 days, your sugar level will drastically drop. Go to your allopathy doctor. Please do not stop allopathy medicine. He will reduce the medicine himself, because diabetes is in control. If you can have it a period of time, my diabetes is in control mainly because I keep on having kalonji as and when I want. 10 drops in hot water, 10 drops in black tea, 10 drops in anything that you are having hot. Have kalonji oil, nothing to beat that. Water, hot water, again very good. And in hot water also very good for obese people as such, with kalonji. And then little lime also you add, there is nothing at all wrong. There are a couple of things kalonji also does. It is also what we call it is controlling cholesterol. Again, this method which you can have. And if you are chewing kalonji seeds, if you are chewing kalonji, they say you should drink kalonji seeds. Now when you meet, what do you mean by drinking kalonji? That you have to chew it so much that they become liquid, you gulp it down. And there are 7 seeds, but you can take 14, 21, 30. There is nothing wrong in taking.
No, that small, the seeds are very small.
I know, very small, they are very small. Next time when we can,
Take half a spoon.
you can take a half a teaspoon at a time over a period. It has a lot of fiber and it's very interesting. I have found kalonji, my personal experience, I have kalonji oil always at home. Whenever I was having wafers and I cut my gums, and I went to a doctor and he gave me some ointment and some gel and all, nothing happened. Until then I said, why not try my kalonji? And I went over and I saw, you just applied the oil where you hurt your gums, you have a teeth ache, it is excellent. This is what all kalonji is all about. There are many uses for even for your eyesight. It is excellent. Yeah, I have a ear pain. I use just with garlic, oil and kalonji I put it in my ear, I found a lot of comfort in the night. In fact, I'm talking about as early as last night. Kalonji oil also is very, very good for joint pains. There are a couple of things that you can mix it with Kalonji oil and apply it, it gives you immediate relief. Now, there are a whole lot of things which we can do in Kalonji, but this is where we'll stop now. And because we have series of talk coming up, and we'll take, you have to apply Kalonji oil with a little bit of your aloe vera, gel and other thing. Warm it up, tie it around with a towel, let it remain warm for a long time, it helps. There is a series of 112 diseases, but I will not cover, I'll just cover a few of these and we move on to the next, one of the most wonderful items that I again call it. Today we cover most of the seeds, is flax seeds.
Flax.
Flax seeds is something superb, high in fiber, okay, very high in omega-3 fatty acid, next only to the fish oil which is there in omega-3 fatty acid in fish oil. Now, what does the flaxseed do? How do you, again flaxseed, when you convert it into flaxseed oil, or what we call it linseed oil, it is what is another word for linseed oil. You can have it in seed form or you can have it in powder form. It helps you in controlling the cancer.
You get it in the chemist shop?
Huh?
You get it in the chemist shop?
No, Bania shop.
Bania.
You can get it in the, good question, you can get both of these items in a supermarket or a Bania shop.
Stop, yeah.
Nowadays,
The one
shop,
which is in the building, the shops are there in the building.
that it becomes very, very comfortable. I realized it. Yeah, even you don't have to ask, you just have to go and see flax seeds. Okay, what you call it is kalonji or rye, because you can mistake rye from kalonji also. Anyway, flax seeds, how do we have it? It is part of your thing, you can chew it, you can add it. Kalonji and flax seeds both can be added like a mukwas. You can add it to your mukwas after food and enjoy it, that is wonderful.
As a powder form.
As a powder form, even full seed form, thoda, soft ke saath le lo, we'll talk about soft later on. It is again one of those lovely things and it has a whole lot of benefit. Flax seeds, what we can do is something very interesting, is that sprinkle it on fruit salads, have it with yogurt, like kalonji you can also have it with yogurt, lot of beneficial. You can, flax is something that is, if you are a vegetarian and you are making a cake, flaxseed powder can be used as binding. It is damn good. People who do not like egg, you can use flaxseed for binding. It is something superb. Okay, you can eat a wholesome meal as such. So these are the few things that high contacting fiber, omega-3 acid, or a whole lot of disease that it can control. Because these things are available, if you can add it to your diet, part of your diet, nothing to beat that. We come to the next item which I find it very interesting, is सौंफ. जो हम खाने के बाद जो खाते हैं, दो या बड़ी सौंफ बोलो, छोटी बोलो, मोटी बोलो, पतली बोलो, जो भी बोलो, that's part of life as such. What does सौंफ do? It first keeps bad breath away.
Breath and gases.
Okay, gases also. And I have made it a point, okay, it is one of the best things for even reducing, like flax seeds and kalonji. Soft, you add a spoonful with your tea leaves in the morning, boil it together, nothing to with that tea. No milk, nothing. And the best part is, I am a diabetic, that sweetness gets natural to me. So that little sweetness is there because of soft, or something that I'll be talking up to you later on. What does soft, how I've seen people on TV, which I've learned from them, instead of jeera, sometimes they use soft as a masala, which helps you out. It's a very different flavor, a different tangy taste, and amazingly well it does for your life. You've really not understood what soft can do. But what I feel is, you add to it, get back to me, tell me the benefit, it helps you in your skin glow, a whole lot of things, takes place. I don't want to confuse you,
For skin also.
very good for skin, and the best part is, it's one of the most cooling thing for your stomach. In summer, if you can have soft ka sarbat, it's now today available. There are few people who are making soft ka sarbat. What they call it is variali ka sarbat. Very, very cooling. Variali. You can have it with milk. You can have it with water. You can have it just like that. It's excellent. You can add it to your pudding. You can add it to your whole lot of desserts if you wish to. But yes, soft can be had in many form again, powdered form for your this thing mukwas or even after your food. So this is the third item, the series of third that we have got. Anything specifically that you want me to cover, I'm sure I can help you out. Any item. Another thing that again I would very, very well take it is the cinnamon. What we call it is no, tej nahi.
Dalchini.
Huh? Dalchini. Now what is dalchini? Again, favorite of mine. You will always find it at home. Dalchini comes in two form. One is that round, little brownish, and one comes like a tree bark. Okay, both are good. What is the best part about all these three items that we discussed and the fourth item that we're talking? It's all very good for burning your fat. Okay, you take a couple of inches, 2-3 inches of dalchini. Take 3 cups of water, boil it down to 1 cup, have it in the morning. Your cholesterol level will drop by 20%. Regular use of dalchini is
good for heart also.
very, very good for heart because it makes the blood this thing. One of the best things that you can do with dalchini is after that you stick, you can also make it powder form. Sprinkle it on your food, have it like this thing for the desserts. Okay, add those sticks into your pulao, into your biryani where people add it. And if you can make a mixture of these, dalchini and soft and, the lavang and the ilaichi, and it has a different kind of flavor if you can marinate it to paneer or to, non-veg chicken or something, instead of the regular chili powder, haldi and other things. So dalchini, again, I must say, every kitchen must have. Everything that is required, dalchini is wonderful. There are many other benefits, but main thing is cholesterol. If you're cholesterol and if you're not obese, then you don't need to worry about anything, because these couple of things more which we'll talk about.
Well, Ayurveda, when they use dalchini for diabetes also.
Correct. It is very good for diabetic. That's what it is. Once your whole level comes in, then it is very, very good. One of my favorite is sattu.
Ah, yes.
Now, what is sattu? If you can, huh?
Not barley.
No, it's not barley. It's not barley.
Thin flavor.
Yeah, it is mainly.
Jawari.
No, not jawari. I'll tell you. Yes, part of it, but sattu is basically chickpeas.
Chickpeas.
Okay, it is roasted, special kind of chickpeas. It is roasted over a. If you ask a North Indian, North-East Indian, he knows what sattu is all about.
बचपन में हम खाते थे बहुत.
Huh? One of the most expensive atta, believe me. It is very, very expensive atta. It can go up to 150 rupees a kilo. But what is sattu? You honestly, if you ask me, and I can take this up. Yeah, it's a chickpeas grounded into powder form. Now sattu is very close to my heart because someone who put me on,
Very good.
yeah, two years back they put me on to sattu and I'm having it very regularly. If I tell you what is sattu, I am ready to quote in front of the camera, which will be again on YouTube. Sattu is basically your Horlicks. It's basically your Bonvita. What do they put in Bonvita and Horlicks? Is sattu. I wash, they flavor it up. All I do is take 2 spoons of sattu. When I come next time, I'll get you sattu powder. I'll make you drink it. Put it in water. It's available. It's available in any of the malls. I take it.
Even Parla, all this food store, they get sattu powder.
Yes, it is available. Yeah, powder. No. Powder. Sattu, you need to have it in powder form. Full
Milk
stop.
और दही दोनों mix करके.
So I have it with छाछ. Okay, बस grind करके 5-6 चम्मच डाल के 1 लीटर छाछ में throughout the day. Okay.
इसके साथ combination अच्छा है.
हाँ, छाछ के साथ बहुत अच्छा है. With water it is very good. With milk it is very good. And I prefer with the छाछ and little dhania and little masala and all. It is something.
Breakfast में खाते थे बचपन में.
Northeast in the Northeast people have it in breakfast. Okay. The best part about sattu is they can also have it like the dal bhati, the Rajasthani make it. They make the bhati of sattu and they have it with vegetable gravy or the chicken gravy as such. Another unique thing about sattu is that it is I added and it adds a lovely flavor to thicken the soup.
Acha, okay.
हाँ, अगर
Like corn.
watery soup है like corn, you have sattu. It makes a lovely thing. When first time I tried that, people 2 years back introduced me to sattu and I said, ये क्या होता है? Then did a lot of research and the maximum information a person who gave me was my चक्की वाला. I said, यार सत्तू का आटा मिलेगा? तो बोलता साहब मैं गांव से ले आऊँगा, मैं बिहारी हूँ. वो गांव से उसने 2 किलो लाया. I said, खराब हो जाएगा. बोलता सर एक 6-8 महीने तक खराब नहीं होता है. This is the best part because it is roasted and made. I gathered a whole lot of it. Then I asked my barber, I said, यार तू सत्तू खाता है क्या? सत्तू मालूम है? तू भी तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट का. And he gave me a whole series of beneficial of sattu. So I am kept on meeting people from the northeast India and then recently I met a Bengali. He saying हमारे gravy में तो होना ही चाहिए sattu. So this is how sattu is.
MP and all this thing, they use
Yes.
indoor side.
Yes. Now the best part about sattu is also you can make chapatis out of it.
Acha, acha.
Oh yes, they add it to the normal flour. Yes, yes. Because I kept on meeting people about sattu. I wanted to talk about sattu. I wanted to find out about sattu. And I realized that my problem of constipation got almost over with sattu.
Oh.
The unique quality of sattu is the oil that you eat in your food. The oil that you eat in your food, it gets drained out and wiped out by sattu. It doesn't keep it, it just cleans it, flushes it out. That is the best part about sattu. There are many uses of sattu. I add it in, baking something. I add little sattu because I need to have sattu. They are available in 200 grams packet of 38 rupees, 40 rupees at the mall. Okay. There are people in Belapur who make it 1 kilo, 2 kilo, दे देते हैं मेरे को 300 रुपया लेते हैं. But yes, that sattu is original because he is also that Bihari shopkeeper, so he knows what to do. You have to give him 2 days in advance notice. बोलते एक दिन तो उसको बेक करने को लगता है. And that is what sattu is all about.
मतलब
Okay.
real taste आता है.
Yeah, real taste आता है. And you must have it with water. There are people like the person that I was talking to, he said my green onions जो अपना लीला प्याज है उसको बारीक काट के और पानी में डाल के और सत्तू 2 चम्मच डाल के थोड़ा नींबू डाल के थोड़ा नमक डाल के मस्त everything is warming and nice and cool inside. So this is all about sattu. Yes, we will talk about sattu. I'll get chickpeas and sattu powder to show you. You could go on the net and just see the beneficial of sattu. Oh, there are plenty. But main thing again, all the items that we discussed were all cholesterol based, breaking down, controlling your weight and all. Another important thing that I feel and that must be talked about and which is again good for your heart is garlic. Okay, now garlic kaise khana? How do we eat garlic? Okay, there are 2-3 types of garlics which are available. And one is a 1-piece garlic, what we call it is Kashmiri garlic. It's just like a chana, big watana type. You peel it. You need to eat garlic. Until that burning sensation comes into your mouth. Okay, there is, hot, spicy, burning sensation. Garlic, I don't need to talk much to you about. It's very good for your heart, very good for your gas problem. Many ways you can have garlic. The raw the garlic, the better it is. I make my soup and then sprinkle बारीक garlic ले लेता हूँ, खा लेता हूँ. I can also use garlic every day. Is make my sandwich, बारीक काटा हुआ ऊपर डाल दो, sandwich खा लो. You are getting raw garlic into your stomach. The idea is you take garlic as such.
Turmeric is also very important stuff.
We're coming to all that. We're coming on to that. Okay, now we take up turmeric. What does turmeric? Kafi hai, but we stop that because I need to finish up my talk. We just cover little. Then फिर क्या है कि I'm giving a talk of 5 minutes on each item.
Okay.
That is separate.
Okay.
So I'll be only talking for 5-7 minutes on garlic or बराबर है ना sir आनंद?
Yeah, 5 minute talk.
There's a 5-minute talk that you will find a whole lot of these which will be used. But if you have a question on garlic, I can answer. Tell me what is it that you wanted to find out.
Because earache and all होता है ना.
I told you I just put oil in the night yesterday with little kalonji oil and garlic oil, very good.
Warm it up.
Warm it up.
1 or 2 drops.
Correct.
Put,
110%. Anyway, yes, you were talking about turmeric.
Yeah.
Now, what is turmeric?
haldi.
A must in Indian kitchen. A must in Indian kitchen. Okay, as much as you can use it, as much as you can use it, nothing like it. You all said it earlier. मार लगता है हल्दी लगा दो. I'll give you a very perfect example. I had fractured my leg about 3 years back, and there were 8 fractures. I had wires and screws and plates and all. Okay, and while they were removing the plaster, the doctor assistant cut me on my toe over here, and for about 4 weeks to 5 weeks I was on heavy antibiotic because I was diabetic and it was not getting healed. I went to a doctor there in Kharghar, one of the best. I don't want to mention names. I said, you know, this is my problem, can you suggest? Charge me 300 rupees just to look at my foot. Anyway, and he said, okay, boss, you are in big problem. Call up your relations and friends and everybody. We have to get you amputated today itself.
Huh?
And your whole gangrene thing has gone up. And this is very serious. And you deposit 40,000 in this hospital where I come and operate at 4 o'clock. I left his dispensary honestly at this age crying. I said, what have I gone and done? I called up my sister. I said, you know, this is what the doctor is saying, but I'm going to take a second opinion. So I called up Dr. Hiral Shah. She's a young girl, 38, 39 now, 40 maybe. I called up, I said, Beta, the doctor is telling me that he's going to cut my foot. They said, what has happened? So today is a, jamana of WhatsApp and photograph. They said, why don't you take out photograph and send it to me on WhatsApp? I removed few photographs with a whole toe swollen up, and amazingly, she said, can you walk? I said, of course I can walk. He said, up to the kitchen. I said, I can walk to your house also if I want. It's not so bad. But yes, they said, do you have haldi? Which she said, yeah, I know you talk about haldi, so you may be having haldi. I said, yeah. You have an organic haldi? I said, yeah, that little reddish haldi. I said, I have that. They said, you have Gaika pure ghee? I said, yeah. They said, just thoda warm karo, apna tadke ke vessel mein, thoda haldi dalo, and then press it, the haldi into the wound as much as you can. It will pain, but you can bear the pain. I know that you'll do anything just to get out of this mess. He said, in 4 days it will be all right. Trust me, friends, it was all right in 4 days. I went back to the doctor. I said, boss, अरे क्या किया तुमने? बोला मैंने वो हेयर ड्रायर लिया, साफ किया, हो गया. So that is how people scare you. But pure 2 रुपए का हल्दी और 2 रुपए का कच्चा हल्दी उसको थोड़ा वो घी के अंदर वार्म किया और pressed it every day. And I called up Hiral. He said, you have a bath, no problem. वापस बात निकल जाएगा, वापस डालो. और क्या करने का?
Very important for Alzheimer.
Huh?
Alzheimer disease.
Correct.
Very, very important.
You can drink it. Aging, it helps you. Very, 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 very good. Even for Parkinson.
With ginger powder, it becomes very good.
Very good. Very true. Very, very right. So haldi can be also very good as an antibacterial, and again for your cough and cold, very, very good. Again, you can have it with water, you can have it with milk. Amazingly, you can have it. I prefer a lot of haldi when I'm having poha. I don't know why. With poha, I'm very comfortable with haldi, but you can add it with
तड़का में डालते हैं.
तड़के में डालते हैं with rye and with that kind of a thing. You can use as much as you can use haldi in your Indian kitchen. Please use it. It only overall going to benefit at all. you know, the best part is it's also very good for your skin. Okay, they keep on saying Viko Vajudanti with haldi,
Yes.
and you know, for the before the marriage, वो हल्दी का एक प्रोग्राम होता है हमारे इंडिया में, and just to make just to make that lady more beautiful.
Yes.
I think that makes a lot of difference. Mehndi and haldi go hand in hand as such, but that's part of life. There are a whole lot of things about haldi as such. Haldi comes in 2-3 forms, but different kind of haldis are there. Organic haldi is the most preferred haldi as such. The best part about haldi, if added to aloe vera juice, is also very good for diabetes. Very, very good for diabetes. It changes. I personally cannot have aloe vera at all. I cannot have aloe vera because I get joint pains. So, but to add haldi, a quarter spoon of haldi and a little bit of pepper, then aloe vera is the best for me. So even it changes, it acts like an enzyme, it acts like a catalytic, it is wonderful. You can mix it with anything and have it. Anyway, can we just keep it off for a minute now and start a little milk?
Yeah.
Milk in India comes in a whole lot of form, and I'm going to tell you something very amazing about milk. One, you have the buffalo milk, which is thick, rich, creamy milk. Okay, I prefer my tea in a buffalo milk as such if I'm having milk in my tea, because it adds a lot of luster, it adds a lot of creaminess, which I like my tea a little heavy in the morning. With the first cup is always with a milk tea. Okay, a lot of benefits are there. Okay, but it's fatty, it's putting on weight, it has a lot of protein. Then comes a second, what we call in India, which are packed, are cow's milk. Now, cows are different, two kind of cow. One is a Jersey cow and one is an Indian Desi cow. Jersey cow can give you about 40 to 50 liters a day. Now, what is a Jersey cow? Somewhere in Jersey, some crazy fellow mated a cow with a pig.
Oh.
Okay, now what is that exactly? A pig gives birth to 8-10 children at a time. So the production of milk is more, because the pig requires the more blood for the more children. Whereas a cow actually, like human being, one or twin if possible, but one calf, mostly one, and enough milk. The Desi cow gives maximum 2.5 liter in the morning and 2.5 liter in the evening. I'll tell you how I come to know so much about it. I was with an Ayurvedic doctor, the Desi cow ka doodh lana. So I stay in Kharghar and I moved around from ek gaon, oye gaon se leke wo gaon se leke wo, nothing. I find the cow, because that cow, actually the milk is produced enough for that baby calf, for the calf only. It's not supposed to be sold. और जो भी बचता है तो वो जो गांव वाले हैं अपने घर के लिए करते हैं. So finally I got into a mood and I asked them, what is this Jersey cow? They said it's a mating of a pig and a cow. That's why it can produce 40 to 50 liters of milk. I know my Muslim friends are going to get offended, and I think from tomorrow they may even stop. I've stopped having. For that simple reason, because mating of a pig is a very mind-blowing thing. Anyway, that, okay, in the court, wherever we need to have discussed if there is a, a point of argument at all. So what did I do? I found a friend of mine, a pujari. I said, यार देसी गाय का दूध नहीं है. तो बोलता है साहब थोड़ा पैसा है, आप इन्वेस्ट करो, थोड़ा मैं करो, मैं मंदिर में रखूंगा. He is in charge of a Ganesh Mandir in Kharghar. Okay, so I put in some money and we bought a cow, and every day I get 1 liter, and after about 4 liters of what he sells, okay, at 50 rupees, I make little money, and I have partly recovered the money, but then I'm getting good milk and I'm quite happy. Now, the benefit of a desi guy, when we say desi cow, okay, it's easy to digest, a lot of medicine property, the dahi and the chas of it, it is so easy on your stomach, that you don't have digestion problem at all. You will not like tea of a desi guy, desi guy ka milk. No, you will not enjoy that tea and all. Yes, it can be used for a lot of preparation, especially very good for growing up children. When I went around for desi guy, तो बोलता है साहब आपके यहाँ बच्चा पैदा हुआ है, because everybody kept on asking it's supposed to be desi guy ka desi. Then I realized it is important that if a child, newly child born, 8 months, 10 months, 1 year child can afford to have a desi gai ka milk. It has to be really cool on your stomach. Yes, I am a diabetic, it helps me out quite a lot. Please note, even goat milk is very, very good. If you can get it, it has to be consumed immediately as fast as possible. But there are a whole lot of things which we can talk about. You all know about milk product and dairy products. But desi gai ka jo ghee jo rehta hai, that fragrance, that aroma and that taste is totally different. I am very fortunate that I found people who could help me out. Find one in this hustle bustle of life. You'll find people who have, outside the mandir feeding the cow and this thing. Ask them if they can give you milk. सबसे best धंधा वो भी है, but that's the way it is. You can get it, your money, your grass, his cow, his milk. Anyway, in short and sweet. But that is life. And this is what I'm saying. Please, let's respect, as we say, Gai Ma. A cow is a second mother. We need to have that milk, and that is what it is about. We're coming back to a point that we were talking about is green tea. Now, green tea, I can give you like Kalonji, which I was talking, 112 diseases it can cure, which I just mentioned few. Green tea also has a lot of benefit, and especially again for obese people, people who are overweight, antioxidant, and a whole lot of other things that it has, its mineral properties. In between meals, if you can keep on having green tea, it's very good for weight reduction. Okay, instead of having warm water, have green tea. Nothing to be done. Green tea also with few drops of Kalonji, which I mentioned earlier, again very good for burning fat. You can add flax, seed oil, again very good with green tea. Green tea can be had anytime, especially people prefer after a very heavy meal. Have green tea in Chinese restaurant. If you go, they give you herbal tea. Okay, you add to green tea a little bit of ginger. Again, keeps a lot of cough, cold, and it helps you with the minerals. It helps you to control your whole body to an extent which could be wonderful. I don't know why. Green tea, there is a way of making green tea. All you need to do is to boil water, then you put that, cover it for 2-3 minutes, and then have it. You cannot boil it, keep on boiling it as such. Yes, a friend of mine is just on saving money, but he instead of having water, he uses 1 tea bag for 3 cups of hot water. वो प्यून को बोलता है गर्म पानी ला के लाओ, फिर वापस आधा 1 घंटे के बाद फिर उसमें वही टी बैग यूज करता है. But yes, color keeps on getting lighter and lighter. But he is having warm water with little whatever it is. वो जो कहते हैं ना कि nobody to beat an Indian, पूरा कस निकाल के वो यूज करता है. But that's life, that's the way it is. Coming back to that product that we were talking about is the one more product that we were talking about, green tea, milk, and green, what was it that we were discussing?
Turmeric.
No, turmeric we don't finish. Next is wheatgrass. Now wheatgrass is in different form again. If you can chew every day a bunch of wheatgrass like what you chew your other stuff, and keep it into your mouth, chew it, it improves your teeth, improves your gum and overall health of yours. Wheatgrass is one of the best detoxifier as such. We detoxifies your whole body. It has a whole lot of vitamins and minerals and other things into it. You can have it in powder form, take a spoon, mix it with water, there is no problem at all. You can also take wheatgrass, make a juice out of it with that leaf of it, have it again, keep it in the night, grind it in the morning, strain it, have it. Wheatgrass has unique property, like it's comparatively, if you go to see, it is as good as aloe vera where other things are concerned, cleansing of your body and other things. But let me come in general to you in the next couple of minutes what I want to talk to you. Now, what are these vegetables do to your system? What are these fruits do to your system? Let us take for example, you were talking about curry patta, pudina, and the third is the coriander. In equal quantity if you take, make a chutney, have it with chas, have it with water, have it with limbu pani, have it with a sandwich, have it with your farsam, have it with your patties and other things. It is one of the most wonderful thing for your diabetes.
Okay.
3 equal quantity of curry patta, pudina and kothmir, equal quantity of 50-50 gram, make a chutney, and it is very good in any form that I told you. You make it a nice chutney, add it to your chas, whatever it is. Another vegetable that can really help you out is bhindi. You put 4 bhindis in a glass of water, next day you grind it into a mixture, strain it, have that juice, again very good for diabetes. Very, very good for diabetes at all. Another thing that can help you with diabetes is tenli. Kacha tenli kha lo, chabao, do not cut it because tenli also, like bhindi, has plant insulin. You should not cut it. If you can have a raw bhindi, nothing like it, or make a juice, you can do the same thing with tenli. Make a juice of it, grind it, have it as much. I cook it and have it, okay, but I need my diet once a week is tenli. I'll tell you a whole recent diet, this thing. I lost about 5 kilos in the last 3 months. Okay. I shifted to my whole new diet as such. There are a couple of other vegetables that which we'll now talk about in the next few minutes. Other leafy vegetables. Every day I have one leafy vegetable. It's a must for me. After that, whatever else I want to have, I will eat. Now, first on the top of my priority is my, what you call it is muli and muli ke patte. I make it very simple. All my leafy vegetables are made so simple. 1 spoon of oil, nothing much, little bit of jeera, and cook it in a pan and just add chili if you wish to and salt, nothing more. It is wonderful. अगर वो बच जाता है, उसके अच्छे पराठा बना लो मूली और उसके पत्ते के, and wonderful for the next morning breakfast. Trust me, a little bit of dahi, excellent. Same thing is गाजर के और गाजर के पत्ते के साथ भी वही मैं करता हूँ, but मुझे खाना है. Then comes the best part is the palak. Palak is my most important in my diet. Palak is necessary for me. I have it twice a week. But with palak I always add another leafy vegetable. One of my favorite is methi. Methi, big one and small one. जो छोटी छोटी आती है, you take it and it's little bitter. Nothing to with that methi at all in that leafy vegetable. It can be again cooked very lightly, just adding little oil, salt, and 1-2 chili full so that you can remove it. It adds a lovely taste. With chapati, I need to have it because why I say leafy vegetable in the night? Because it takes only 5.5 hours to digest. So even if you have it at 11 o'clock in the night, by next morning 6 o'clock you are comfortable. Whereas meat takes 72 hours, red meat, and the other meat takes about 38 to 40 hours to digest. तो अगर आप रात को लेट मील खाया, next day you say यार बहुत heavy लग रहा है because the meal has not got digested. Even paneer and other thing you cannot have it late in the night. अगर शाम को 6 बजे खाता है तो उसको 14 घंटा लगता है digest करने को. So why prefer leafy vegetable? Then you have the choli ka bhaji, which is those big leaves. Okay, they are also, and then you have the other cholis also, which are in the long kind of, gawar kind of a thing. You need to eat all these leafy vegetables because it has a lot of chlorophyll and lot of other things which keeps me going. So these few vegetables that I have mentioned, okay. Another lovely vegetable for this season is the cucumber. You grate cucumber, have it with dahi. Favorite of mine with this methi paratha. Oh, the world is at its best. Believe me, you can't beat that. Okay, so all the leftover sabjis, next days I made parathas out of it. And of course, dahi and cucumber is there if I need to have. And of course, as I told you, you add one day kalonji powder or seeds, you add flaxseed powder or seed, or you can add many other things that we have discussed today. It will help you out. Instead of, now the last final tip that I am going to give you, how good is kalonji oil and how good is flaxseed oil that you will realize. Please, instead of using olive oil, which you think is expensive, kalonji oil is 5 times more expensive. You can use kalonji oil also instead of olive oil in your salads, and you can see the difference. You are going to enjoy yourself. I am sure you're going to wish you a very healthy, stay fit, eat healthy and stay fit. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.